Okay, I'd like to invite our final speaker for the session, Erisa. She's going to talk about the rank creation question, answering solution for IRAC, investigation, and critical. Erisa, it's over to you.
Let's say last year, so I'll try to make it worse. Thank you. First of all, thank you so much for being here. I understand it's Friday, so I'll try to keep it light. So today I'm going to present a little bit about Sampath and everything is thanks to them. So our baby, then they have no. And the work is about institutional solution for cybercrime investigation and attribution. So this work was funded by KCR, so community had funding us, and is on project Cyberthreat and sub project of ARCD. So I was expecting this to be like one of the activities. So why cybercrime investigation and attribution works? Why this work? First, being able to, once you have the cybercrime investigation and attribution, you are able to get research. These helps people to be in place more efficient countermeasures, which means if we know that our brains, then we are able to somehow turn wrong still. Also, what are the techniques? They use to not look the techniques, then they know that maybe it's the used for therapy to that. What we can do is that we can try to oriented computations that are hard to local. Driving attention, just to give you a brain overview. So first part of the technical remarks, so we try to understand the tools, the tactics, technique, and procedures. Then we have the trying to define the geographical location of the attack, but it's not just about the geographical location, it's also deviations. So all the geographical area of the context. This is where we go a bit further away from the technical part. But still, we are connected to the technical part, was to understand the geographical location, like the way to piece, the way to achieve the infrastructure, to achieve time, define and initiate the regular tasks. And this also is good facts. Maybe they want to try out this level, just to see example, so they will read not what you're translates. But also the third level of attribution is cryptographic meaning organization. To talk with yourself if it is that is behind the top. So cyber attribution is a complex process. Usually supposed to be analyzed for digital investigative that will support this kind of analysis use tools that have but basically it's so complex, and the fact that you need to use also social information during a critical situation and all this kind of information that is very difficult to automate, it is still done by hand, so manually by the mathematics. So to relieve the need to enhance the efficiency and accuracy of cyber attack investigation and attribution, this is what we're trying to do here. Generally, my various first, my main goal has been cyber attack contribution and how to help the analysts. So this solution really will help the analysts and how to do that. These question answering all of them try to very information of the class resolution in the fastest and easiest way possible, the analyst. So we are using LLMs. Short we are using LLMs, we are using particular values LLMs. I'm not going to explain you what it is because well what they are, but I'm going to focus on the limitations of the hallucinate, which means they produce responses that are entirely misleading or fabricated, or they use outdated knowledge LLMs, which means in order to provide up-to-date information, it is costly, but still they can understand. So in order to address this limitation of LLMs, it means that we use retrieval augmented generation. What retrieval augmented generation does is that it extracts relevant context from external data sources that were not used to train these LLMs. And they help to deal with this issue of hallucination and outdated knowledge of LLMs. So in this work, we presented the first question answering for several time investigation attribution. And this model leverages the RAG techniques to enhance the efficiency and the accuracy of cyber attack investigation and attribution. For this question answering, you can use a knowledge base. In particular, we use our knowledge base that we have created just for cyber attack investigation. It's called Attacker. It's a data that we created out for cyber attack attribution. Is the first data set that does that. So we connected the data, we cleaned that, and we created this data set the paper. It is already out and price, and the main purpose of knowledge is to use name and extracting text. Now, this question answer we did is that we wanted to provide the user flexibility, so we can accept factual, contrastive, as well as differential questions. We also evaluate our system and machine learning system. So how we did it is that we got help from these experts when they checked the knowledge that they had. So different pieces of information. And from there, they created 170 pairs questions and answers. So in this way, we had a way that we could actually evaluate what we had done. And this is the model. Can be divided, let's say, in two. This is the one that has the black color, that is one that creates the knowledge space, and the red struggle one. So the analyst can ask the questions, makes a query, and what we do is that we try to retrieve the best context for that kind of question. The retrieval information is that there's name research through our activities. The retrieve context, it is passed to together with the query into that LLM, the keys of the training and then we provide the process. Now, the query can be created as the whole data set that you have provided, but there also be specialized query where you can provide self PDF, a bunch of documents. We can also have a bunch of queries. And those bunch of queries, what they do is that they use, you can put inside a CSV file all the questions that you have. And the machine learning will be able to automatically identify the question scenario and provide them things to make things as easy as possible. And this is how the interface looks like. We also need to do inside papers. So please don't check it, give us feedback. So what we do is the seven tablets of questions, fractional questions, the contrastive or differential questions, and you have the possibility of asking the entire set or providing your own information that you want the system to retrieve the information. Then we get the answer, and given the answer, we also provide the source from where we took the answer for us. It was quite important to provide the source. Want the analyst to go and check this up. So the main point is that all the analysts to come here for and this is a question. So instead of the analyst Google and searching all this information, we wanted to provide very specific some information and information to that, and the information is about singular investigation and contribution. So this is where the machine learning is specialized. So this was our main goal. We went further to do the publish. And the evaluation was done by checking different metrics, faithfulness, answer relevance, context precision, context recall, context entity recall, context relevance, answer semantic similarities, and and we also track the zero shot and short problems. So through our question answering assist, just you can ask the questions or and there was no increase. Everybody would expect that. So if you provide an example, you would improve. So these are some of the results. So from the answer relevance that you can see, we can see that the model follows the instructions that we provided. And then we continued with the analysis, and we tried to do comparison, comparative analysis with other models that use, not other models, but using GPT-4 or GPT-5. And for example, how the analysis that we have the questions, well, we then use ground truth, and then we ask all three of them to be. Now, obviously with ChatGPT 3.5, because they have all the information, they didn't have updated information, so it wasn't, it didn't provide good results. For provide reasonable results, sometimes really one life is a bit better. And our solution, our information solution, provided good results. And with respect to the fact that GPT-4 had access to the internet, and it didn't, we didn't find out. So we wanted to show that even with limited resources and not having access to the internet, but being specialized in what in the investigation attribution part, you would actually realize very good results. So specifically, this question was when the implementation of CVE began, and the ground truth is May 2023, what our execution was May 21st, 2023, which is close, but it's not correct. GPT-4 was found to charge 23 around and when it comes to the relationship between mental graph and providing relations that are it is a secret structure so that GPT-4 knows that started that there is a plan that continues to be anything that provides a definition while GPT-3.5 in this case, we did much better than GPT-4 now. So to conclude, the first one is visualizing model for cyber investigation and attribution. Our solution was built in order to provide support to cyber forensic analysts and security analysts during the process of cyber attack investigation and attribution. We rely on the analysts to use to get direct and collect information, but also in the future, like has no form of chat, because what we have now is an interaction like information. If you like the information, you'll have some form of chat that can also provide maybe update on the news that are there or information that are not today. So as regards other information, but then the information come out. So how do we start getting information in this? These are not packets. Now the RAG-based model outperforms GPT 3.5 and for please remember this for we needed to be monitored. access or going to, or do you have limited access on how many queries you can do? And then you have the drug can be employed with created data set focused on cyber attack investigation and attribution as the knowledge base. In particular, we use the attacker data set. Few shot drug prompts are better than zero shot, providing more accurate and relevant responses for cyber attack attribution. And as future works, well, there is a gap here. We plan to integrate AI agents for automated web crawling to continuously update our knowledge base with the latest reliable cybersecurity reports. And we also aim to enhance the RAG model with advanced features like contextual tracking, re-ranking, and query transformation to provide more precise answers with reduced latency. So thank you for listening. Any questions?
I put it through treating it's depending on how you treat it with the knowledge base. So this is using data security rewards to develop like anybody or they talk about how one would create a knowledge base if they want to do.
Yeah, questions. Question raised. So, how to create the workplace? Here are the tracker data that you can find as well. So that I can do on our risk. It is went to a bunch of very things websites, Monday, everything that is not is good. And we went and selected these reports, blogs that are investigation battles, attribution, that have the technical information. And the other thing that the analyst none of that, of course, with HRP, provided the technical interesting in that. We did the manual annotation of the information. So we first started by getting the entities related to the some entities which selected the values of 6.2.1, and some entities that were not part of 6.2.1 but are quite interesting for the attribution part that we selected them through an ontology that we have created to make so. Once we did that, we first our implementation using to do a manual implementation always by checking. Once we extracted all the entities, then started to build relationships. The relationship between the entities always been 6 and it's not an ontology. So you might have information like this is darker before this part. The impact of this dark is this one. Why is information always related to not just investigation, but in the attribution parts? This is an idea. When I see data set up there, they are not specific to that operation, they do not have this kind of information relations between entities. So happy for you to get in contact with us. Otherwise, if you go to the created words, you can find the attacker data, and if you go to the attacker word, you can find the link to the data set.
I have one question. Like, as you know that the attack will exponentially increase. So the problem with the system is like the size of the vector database also is increasing. So maybe like we have to extend the vector database, so that means the new information will be always added here part of the vector database. So the problem, what I feel is like we try to search in the vector daily for the latency will be high. So have you thought about some techniques like semantic cache where the security experts, like there are certain questions which will be frequently asked by security experts, like they are more interested in managing techniques and procedures. So can we create some semantic cache or such things have been done in the model?
So, thank you very much for your question. This is really interesting. I was told a lot of that. And these are problems that exist and we have to continue that. And then you get a discussion because it's like very interesting things.
Sorry, this is not much. You said that you're considering having, web columns so you can keep updating your data set regularly. But if you're gonna experiments with your data, did you try asking something outside your knowledge base and trying to see how they would come up? Because it's a generative model, the option is generating something, right? So yeah, this is the better for next.
Actually, this is a very good point because I forgot too much. What we did is that if we don't know the answer, we say we do not. Oh, but we provide also, because we didn't want to provide any information that we should, because of the fact of how important this information is, because people use it, take decisions, based on things when we are not sure when we need currency, sorry, instead of going and providing wrong information.
So like having mandate as the market way or
So if I'm not able to find any conflict for that question, then we say we don't know.
Any other questions? Okay, yes, thanks for explaining.